Okay, just pause, please. We're gonna make our chocolate frosties today. So I thought I'd have Charlie do it, and we always keep our most popular recipes hung up right on the inside of our cabinet so we can pull them down. So Charlie, start. We have to go like this. We have to show what we're doing though. So what's our first thing that we need?
3 cups of almond milk, which is right here.
Perfect. Or you could use rice milk, whatever non-dairy milk you want. And what's our next thing is 2 cups of, boop, pause.
2 cups of cashews.
That's right. So use the proper one. You come over here so people who are trying to watch you can see you. Watch where you're doing it.
Did you do it?
My love. You're good. I know you want to go do something else right now. Just stay with me.
Yeah, but Mom, I don't have that much time. I have to leave soon.
My love. Let's keep going. Let's stay on track. Okay? We need another cup of this, please.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay. You had a better idea to do it up over the blender, but we're going to do it this way. And why is it good to do it over the blender?
Because if it falls in, it just falls into the blender.
That's right. I think you had just the best idea. You're just the best. Okay, boom. 2 cups of cashews. What's the next thing? You have to read it.
Finally.
2/3 of a cup of maple syrup.
Yay.
Fill it up over the blender.
Liquids.
Up, up,
Liquids.
It's okay.
On the blender.
Up over the blender. Liquids over the blender. Yeah, you got it. All the way to the top. Keep going. I'll tell you when. Keep going. Can you not see it? Keep going. And then, that's good. Tip it that way. So it doesn't, good. Okay, our next thing is the dates.
Right here. It is 1/2 cup.
Did you make sure that the dates were filled at the top?
Really?
I think well, this is the sweetness. Awesome. Okay, go. Pitted dates, pitted dates. Okay, we're going to do 4 tablespoons. Actually, I do 4 heaping teaspoons, which I'm going to have you come up to about this line. You know how to do
The
it.
4 teaspoon?
These are 4 tablespoons. But go ahead, I'll tell you when. I want you to like 3/4 of the way up that. So look at it and I'll let you know. Perfect. Awesome. Now, why do we have salt when it's a sweet treat? Why would we need salt?
We need to have a pinch of it. Just a pinch, you know.
Why? What does salt do?
Brings out all the flavor.
You can get that all in there. You could do another pinch because that really wasn't much. Okay, we are ready. Go ahead. Now what do we do? Don't walk away. We're going to finish this up.
Now for the fun part.
This is the fun part. Go. Carolyn, dance. Listen it up. Perfect. Now that's done. So tell, if anybody's watching this, what will we tell them that we do now? What do we get from the freezer?
We get ice.
Crushed ice. So wait, hold on. What we do is we store this in our refrigerator, but if we were going to have it, like right now, I'd get most of it out because I don't need it all, and I'd store this in my fridge, and then I just have a little bit in here, and it's very sweet. It's very sweet. So I'm going to grab some crushed ice right off the fridge. And Charlie, you can show people what you're doing.
Okay.
This way they know what you're doing. Crushed ice, almost like 1-for-1 is the amount. Crushed ice to the mixture. And we're going to make a frosty. Perfect. Great. And go get a lid. Go get a lid. Awesome. I feel like it needs like a smidge more. See, it's getting slower because it's so thick now. It's perfect. Excellent. Then what we do is perfect, Charlie. That's all stored for later. And then we're gonna go like this, right? We're gonna pour it in to our cups. All right. Now, if we wanted it to be like thicker, what could we have added more of into the blender when I got out of the freezer?
Ice.
Yeah, we could put more crushed ice in there. I didn't really make that much of a batch right now, but I could have made a bunch. And what we'll do is we will see you later. If I had a bunch of these made, I would put them right in the freezer. I pull out the drawer and I line them all up, and at any other time the kids could take one and they'll just do like a half power on the microwave, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, depending on how frozen it really is and what the consistency is that they like. Anyway, that's it. I have to taste this. I do have to taste this. You wouldn't believe how good this is. I'm not even kidding you. It's so good. It's so good. I don't know. It's awesome. Enjoy.